Hello, this is Wendy from Wiki. If you ask me what's new in 2022, I will tell you AI technology is indeed a big trend in consumer electronics, especially in phone accessories. And AI glasses is in high demand and high increase this year, especially some famous brands like Google, Samsung, Meta is under innovations. Especially, for example, we estimate iPhone 18 will launch the new AI glasses. So let's have a look what is new on AI glasses. So today I would like to introduce you our new AI glasses PAGOA, which is the basic Bluetooth style and with the side touch button on both sides, which support decoration, listening to songs, call function, and support 4 to 6 hours for using. So here we have connected the Bluetooth accessory, and I would like to show you how to use the AI glasses. So we have the button on both sides, and the single click is for play or stop the songs and hand over the calls. So you could hear the sound, and the double click is for answering the calls, or you can switch to the different songs. For example, if you double click the left side, you could change to last song. And if you double click the left side, you could change to next song. And you could also wake up the sound assistant by triple click of the button. And both sides support. You could also reject a call by long press 2 minutes. And you could also change the volume of the songs. For example, for the left side, you could decrease the sound, and for the right side, you could increase the sound. So this is only the sample for reference first, and we also prepare the store under our Miccell, so we could support you to check the market with small quantity first. And for the stock, we have 2 versions. The first one is with the stop rate mid-frame, and also the black lenses and the glossy black temples. And we also have another one, pink mid-frame, and the transparent lenses like this, and also the white temples. So if you are interested, please feel free to contact us for the samples. Thank you.
Miccell, your phone's smart friend.